Alright, forgive my messy trunk. Just want to just give a run through of some stuff that I guess people don't ever do. Alright, these hinges right here. Honestly, they need to be lubed up sometimes, so I used again my friend right here because it's waterproof to lube all these joints in here. Sprayed this, and I also sprayed this line right here. Like, you spray this so it slide in easier and don't get caught up and chafed or whatever, because you need it to be somewhat lubed so it won't crack and do all that bad stuff that causes all kind of problems with our cars. Sorry. Yeah, spray this line down in this silicone lubricant. It dries, but it stays lubricated. Same thing here. Hey, how you doing? Yep. Spray this right here so it'll be nice and lubricated. Yep. That's what you do. And then also what I did was use some of this for a seal in my power steering pump. It was the front, and I took it on a road trip and I poured this before the road trip started. Drove for 6 hours. It works. Like, there's no leaks no more. It's just a seal, and the seal was old, so I recommend this. I've tested it. It works. I got the part, so I wasn't cheaping out. I actually bought a brand new power steering pump, and whenever it fails, I will put it in there. Right now it's not leaking, so I'm fine. That's about it. I just wanted to show that because many people don't do that, and it cracks because people do not put lube on this plastic to let it slide in and out easier. So this is to me, I hate to go through this. So just lube up the lines and you good. Lube this up and also lube this mechanism up. So keep this lubed and you're good. Keep that lubed and you're good. Lube everything, lube all the joints and you're good. So just a little tidbit. Hopefully everything works out, and I'm out.